Hello. Stay on that side, thank you. But, do you want to stay on your side of the road too? What the fudge, man? Yes. You're gonna run the red. Tostitos, don't run the red. Tostitos, bring the party. Back to Connecticut. What are you doing? False start. Exit dive. Exit dive. Cut off. Asshole! Exit dive by the center van. What the hell? Jesus. Well, sorry, dude. I had to move over because I'm getting off. Oh, not dudette. I'm already going over the speed limit, you know? Surely you're not going to cut me off here, are you? You're that much of an asshole. How many lanes does she jump over when she hits hit 93? Oh, none. Okay. Tailgate the hell out of the BMW. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that was kind of close, douchebag. Direct to the left lane. Direct to the left lane. Do you think you're a Toyota or something? Stop waste management. Stop waste management. Thank you, waste management. Uh-huh. Let's see, I'm doing 75. Uh-huh. See if you saved that clip from yesterday with the guy going straight from the turn lane and then there's this idiot in the Camry exit dive. What the hell are you doing? Oh, yeah, never mind. No. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, God. So many clips, so little time. Little thing. Stop before you turn. And illegal U-turn. Is that what I think it is? It's a Corolla, and she's on the phone. Go ahead. Your turn, will you? Wait your turn, lady. Direct to the left lane BMW. Marketing man. Oh boy. And exit dive. Hello. You're not actually gonna do that, are you? Like, you could move out of the way, RAV4. Okay, yeah. Okay. So we know where we're going. Too close. Can I call that an exit dive? Where I come from, and who say come? It's not a lane, Subaru. Here's what time that tree was taken down before it kills someone. Hey, stop for the stop sign. Stop for the stop sign. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Love is. I want you to. Hey, hello. Toyo turd. Should fail. And exit dive left. Down on your pedals, offer up my heart and soul, but in return, thank you, Toyo turd. Live for me, die for me. Jesus. It's a two-lane exit, you shithead. You fucking asshole. A little closer, Mercedes, or what? There you go. Yeah! Oh god, I hope this is not a mock cop. Guess not. Too bad.
Sync, please say a command.
Cancel. Moron. Alright, headlights ain't on. You're supposed to stop before you turn. And oh, that makes a dive. Hey, Mr. Big Rig, you're not supposed to be in that lane. That's a bit close, Mr. Big Rig, you turd. Oh, here in the red light. Because Audi.